Hey guys, today we're taking apart this HP Envy Pro 6450 series printer. The purpose of the video is just to show you where things are located, where parts are located, where what you need to remove in order to get to a certain part. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. The first thing I'd like to do is just open up this cover while the printer is on. I'm going to let the carrier move over here so it's unlocked, and then I'm just going to go ahead and unplug the printer. In order to remove screws, we're going to need to use a Torx size T10 screwdriver tip. Let's go ahead and remove the ink cartridges. This top ADF tray just opens up like this here, and you push it in the middle and slide to one side, and you remove it that way. Remove the paper tray. Put the printer on its side, and then remove the screw right here. It gives us the opportunity to just move it out like that here, and we remove the main tray. This cover just removes by pressing these tabs, squeezing them, and now we can lift this up a little bit higher by just putting the screwdriver in here and pushing it against. We can remove this, and then also unlatch this piece over here. There we go. Now we can start removing the screws all around. By removing this panel right here, that'll give you access to inside, just to make any repairs on the inside parts or replace them. Now we can just go ahead and lift this portion right here. And that comes out at the top. The top just removes by sliding over like this here. And we have a wire connected right here. It goes to the scanner. We have some wires holding us back right here. When you lift the top, this gives you the access to these panels right here. And you can just go ahead and disconnect that wire. That goes to the scanner. It's going to be located right here. This one. We can disconnect this wire right here. This one is screwed in right here. So we'll just go ahead and remove that too. There we go. I think that's it for this side. This wire right here connects to the printer up top to the power button. That one is located, if we look up here, that's where it goes. It's right kind of in the area of where your model number is. So this is the connection right here. And this wire connects to it. So we have four things that were holding us as far as wiring. This is ground wire, this control wire right here, and the scanner wire, besides this one right here. Okay, and that's inside of your printer. If you need to get to your main board or replace it, remove some screws here. This is your timing strip right here. Let's go ahead and remove this control panel and output tray assembly. It's kind of all together. There's two screws in here and two up front. This one here. kind of push it out of here. There we go. And we have it disconnected already, so we're all good. That's our main board for this model. Timing strip, to remove it, you're just going to push it to the right and pull this side forward, and it'll just unlatch from that, and then release it here. It's like a little pin. When you put it back, make sure you slide it in to the correct area where the sensors are able to read the timing strip properly. Our power supply, it's actually accessible without removing everything. So if you just need to replace the power supply, you do not need to remove everything here. All you need to remove is just this plastic piece right here. It is, you would probably need to put your printer on the side, remove this screw right here, this one, okay, and then you're just going to pull this plastic piece down, and that's where your power supply is. Okay, so the power supply is pretty tight in there, and all you need to do is just push it from here. It's probably a reason why you may need to remove, because I tried just pulling it out from here with the help of a screwdriver or power supply, and it was not easy. So I ended up just pushing it through like this here. There we go. That's our power supply. In order to remove the scanner from here, what we're going to need to do is just take this plastic piece out. We already moved it out just by pushing to the right. Then let's feed this wire through. Loop it right here and just let it slide out. To get inside of the glass, we need to remove a few screws here. This part, for example, you may not need to even take it off fully. Just as long as you open the printer, you should be able to get to these screws just like that. So after we remove the screws, there's clips on right and left. Just lift it up there. No clip there, just one clip. And this is our scanner module right here. Okay, so you can replace it by unhooking right here, or feeding the wire through and replacing it with the wire if you are able to get a replacement. There we go. So that's pretty much how you take apart this printer. I apologize for being a little bit clumsy in this video. If this was entertaining or helpful, please don't forget to comment, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have yourself a great day.